The room was quiet. Not because nothing was happening, but because I wasn't connected to it. So let's build a connection. Now, the moment I enter, it's respond. Lights, and when I want to turn on the fan, I simply say fan on. Not manually, but through a control node. Everything you see here runs through it, one node and one system. I send commands directly through Bluetooth. No internet, so no delay, just instant control. But control wasn't enough. I need awareness. So the node keeps reading everything around me, like temperature, humidity, air quality, and especially gas levels. All the things you don't notice until they become a problem. This system notices and reacts immediately. No command needed. That's when it changed from a project to a system. A system where control is direct and the awareness is constant. And this is just a base layer. Next, I am adding intelligence and AI connected to this node. So it doesn't just respond, it understands. This isn't a smart room, it's a system. I stay connected too.